What's up guys, Naael here from Naael Tech, and today I have received a very special package, the Lenovo Chromebook 300E. Now the package is a basic brown cardboard box, and inside that cardboard box you're first greeted with a Chromebook itself in a plastic bag. Then you get the 45-watt power brick with the USB Type-C cable. Then you get a manual that, let's just be honest, no one here reads. So this Chromebook has a 11.6-inch HD display. It has 32 gigabytes of SSD, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and it runs Chrome OS, as you would have thought. So now let's just get into what you can actually do on this Chromebook. So let's just test out the speakers, because this could very much be a media consuming device for you, as it flips around and it's kind of like a heavier version of an iPad with a keyboard at the back. So let's just test out the speakers.
I'm Naael Tech, and today I'm going to review what in my opinion is the best budget smartwatch and fitness tracker. Let's get into it. It comes in a simple and clean package. First you are greeted with the watch and
So as you can hear, it's okay. It's not the best. You probably want to pick up a pair of headphones if you're using this. And yes, it does have a headphone jack. Bringing on to my next point. So it has two USB Type-C cables, one micro SD card slot, one headphone jack, and one USB Type-A slot. So that's a lot of slots. If you need that type of slot, that can be all done on this Chromebook. Now, one more thing I would like to point out is this Chromebook has two cameras. So one you can use to scan documents and stuff with the back camera, and you can use the screen as a viewfinder, and one is the webcam, its actual self. The keyboard in this is pretty small, but you can definitely get some good typing out of it. So the quick brown fox, yeah, it is pretty small, and it might take some time getting used to it. Otherwise, there is a settings button, there's a brightness button, and there's volume controls, lock the device, escape key, moving between the different tabs you have open, and there's a full screen button and a reload button. And you don't get a caps lock button in this, you just get shift. So you're going to have to do with that. But anyways, it's pretty good keyboard. And another thing I forgot to mention is this has an Intel Core processor inside, so you can expect that type of performance from this device, which is pretty good, as Intel cores are great. They're used on almost every computer I can think of. Yeah, so you can get some power out of this. And yeah, now this Chromebook, I haven't used it that much yet, but I'm really excited for using this, as it looks pretty good. And the main viewing angles I'll probably be using this is in its full typing position, or just flipped over and using it to view content. Anyways, that's it for today. See you next time. Peace.